Hi there everyone, in this video I'm going to use the Windows Disk Cleanup software to clean up space on C drive or any other drive. So for that, the simplest way is to just go to my computer and click on the drive that you want to do a cleanup. Do a right click, go to the properties, and now click on Disk Cleanup. Another way to do it is by just doing a search. You can search for Disk Cleanup on the start and select the drive that you want to clean up. For starters, let's just go with C drive. Now Disk Cleanup will search for everything that can be removed in the C drive and it will give you all the information over here. Now you can click OK to delete those particular files. In some cases, you might be having some system files, update files, or previous Windows files. For example, if you go to the C drive, you might be able to see a folder called windows.old. So in that case, this is what you need to do. Once again, go to Disk Cleanup, select C drive, and now select Cleanup System Files. Once again, select the drive. Now it will search for system files that can be deleted or removed. Now in case if you have any older files, Windows Update files that can be deleted, it will be listed over here along with the size. You can just select all the stuff that you can delete. Similarly, we have some previous Windows installation files around 2 GB, so you can select that as well and click OK to delete all those stuff. So this is how you can use the Disk Cleanup.